Hello again. This is going to be some more. I'm almost done, guys. I just have one more video, and that's going to be my Disney video. Alright, I made two more kits slash suitcase boxes, so let me set up. So give me 1 second. Alright guys, I'm back. Now this kit was so much fun to create, and again, remember I was telling you about the price that you pay for. Look at everything you get in this kit. So you do get a lot of, even though Queen and Company, some of their kits are a little pricey, but you get so much for your money. So let me show you all that was created. Now this is, hold on for 1 second. Alright guys, let me show you my box that I created that I'm going to put this kit into. Now this is super cute. I didn't have all the colors, so I just added whatever colors I had available. Same with that one and same with that. So, and I think this I got from, was that Hobby Lobby? I love that. And I just added some bling to the top, and again that's from Hobby Lobby when they had that clearance. Hobby Lobby. The trim, I love this trim. I have to see if I can order this online. And then I added some trim at the bottom. So this is super cute. So again, I'm going to add it in the box when I'm showing you guys. Alright, hold on. Just gotta set the lid. Alright. And this kit was so much fun to create. And it had so many dies, so get that. This one's just a regular, I used the foam. Oh, this is cute. And this is another kit that didn't have the outline dies for, so I'm gonna wait. So I had to be creative. So look at that. And again, you could plop this on a box or a bag, and even on a card. So again, you just got to pay for that extra postage. Look at this. I think this is the reason why I actually got the die, the kit. Here is some more. Look at that. Nice little shaker. Now look at this one. This one's cute. Here's another one. And again, this, you get so much for your money. Look at that. And again, you can change it up. You don't, they give you pictures just to give you an example of how you can do it. You can rearrange it if you like. You can change up on the different toppings. So you could do definitely a lot of different styles with this die. You can even add your own little dies to it if you like. Especially if you have like a shelf die, you can put these on the shelf, or you have a front of a store. You can put these in the window showing through. So it's so many ideas you can do with these. That's cute. Look at that. Try not to touch those because, again, the eyes are not glued down. Here is more. Here's some more. Look at this. This is super cute. Super cute. Oops, I think this was coming up. Okay, I gotta glue that. I gotta glue this one a little more. So that one has to be put aside. Look at this. Here are some more up here. Let me just move these down. Here's more. Another one. Here's more. Look at this one. Look at that. Now these I'm going to try to lift up without shaking around the googly eyes. Now look at that. That is super cute. Alright. Let me do the other one. Okay, this one moved just slightly, but it's still cute. So look at that. Oh, these came out so cute. And here is everything in a box. Yeah, I was thinking about doing the panels like you guys did, but there's too much embellishments in here for that, so I had to just keep it open. So this is my sweet shop kit. So stay tuned. I just have one more video, and that will be the Disney video. So stay tuned for that, and thanks again, guys. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye bye.